What's it called?
Tractor. Massey Ferguson.
Yeah. And what are the best tractors?
Best tractor.
Yeah. What are the best tractors called?
Massey Ferguson.
Say hello, Alex, and thank you for my gift. It's a video. Say hello.
Hello.
Alex,
Thank you very much.
my gift.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good boy. Steering and everything.
Put it on the ground.
Put it on the ground and drive
Go
it.
and save it.
I'm digging now.
He's digging.
Digging. Dig up that big stone.
We can cook baby. We can cook baby.
Happy?
Yeah.
Bye bye. Leave bye bye.